GlamDollz. So I am here today to share with you all my P.O. Box haul of some packages that I have received. One of them in particular I was super excited is I received some GlamDollz mail. Yes, I received a package from a GlamDollz. So delighted and so thankful that this person took time out of their daily life and schedule just to think enough of me to send me this package, and I'm so humbled by it. So I'm going to open this package and see if it's okay for me to reveal who actually sent it. Trying not to rip the whole thing because I don't want to damage what might be inside. So it has some red paper on it. And GlamDollz, if you happen to be watching this is the package that you sent me, showing you that I did receive it. Oh, let me be careful. Well, first let me take the card out. So it says season greetings, and it has a snowman on the front. And it says, oh my God, 12/17. I'm so late getting this, but thank you so much for sending it to me. It said, to MzGlamourAddict, thanks for being a blessing. I really enjoy your channel and how relatable you are. I hope you find your gift useful as your own gifts. Oh, keep going with your vision. You're inspiring many. Stay blessed. I know who this is. You didn't say if it was okay for me to say your name, so I'm not going to. But thank you so much. And the card says, sending warm wishes your way. And this is just too cute. And seriously, thank you. Because you and I, we talk all the time back and forth in the comments. Oh my God. So I have some candy. Oh, these are the Andes, the chocolate mints. Oh, girl. My dentist is gonna love you. So here it says, to MzGlamourAddict, and she put it in this. Let's see what it is. Let's see what this is. These are the liquid eyeshadows. Oh my gosh. And they are metallic. You know me too well. I swear. That's why I love you, official GlamDollz. Because once you get to know a person, you really get to know a person. And she know I am a shimmer girl at heart. And you know me, I love anything glitter and I love neutral looks. But these are absolutely gorgeous. These are by Nicka K. And these are the Radiant Liquid Eyeshadows right here. And she got me in the color Golden Gimmer. Golden Gimmer, that's Golden Gimmer. Oh my gosh, Orchid, oh my gosh, look at these colors right here. Ooh, matter of fact, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a separate video because I do want to open and swatch these for all of you, so all of you get a chance to see the quality of these liquid shimmered glittered looking eyeshadows just as well. These are, I've seen, oh my gosh, I've seen so many videos on these, and honestly speaking, I wasn't able to get my hands on them. But thanks to my GlamDollz who came all the way through. Thank you so much for sending this to me. You have really, seriously, thank you. I kid you not. And I did send you back a thank you card letting you know that I did receive the gift. But thank you so much once again. So now that I got that GlamDollz mail out the way, so now I want to move into what I received at my local P.O. box from, you know what I'm about to say, right? LA Colors Cosmetics. I kid you not. If you are an official GlamDollz to this channel, and when I say official, that means a subscribed GlamDollz, you already should know I've declared myself as LA Colors Cosmetics unofficial brand ambassador. I really do love the quality of their cosmetics, and I'm not just saying that because they sent me, you know, a package or whatever. I'm saying that because since the beginnings of this channel, I've always been repping for LA Colors Cosmetics. Now don't get me wrong, I do use a lot of other brands as well, but I love LA Colors Cosmetics. So here, little black box. Okay, these are the Truly Matte Liquid Foundation that looks like this right here. This is a Truly Matte Liquid Foundation, and this is what it's looking like when I get it open. Whew, Lord. This is how they packaged it. These are the liquid matte foundations, and I've already used one of them. So one of them I've already used, but these are the matching pressed powders that go along with it. These are the pressed powders right here, and these are the additional colors that they sent me. So what I'm going to do is a separate video sharing with you all my thoughts about the foundation, because honestly speaking, I did use one of them already in here, and I have been using it for a short minute. So I do want to share my thoughts about it. So I will be sharing that with you all. And the next package is, again, LA Colors Cosmetics. So this one I didn't already open before. So this is going to be new to me opening. They sent it in this box right here. Looks like that right there. And these are the blushes. Oh my gosh, this is the card right here. And there's 16 blushes, okay? I doubt if they sent me all 16, but let's see. This is what the packaging is looking like. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think they did send me all 16. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They sent me all 16 colors of the blushes, and OMG. Y'all know I'm coming back. You know I am coming back to do a video on this too right here. I'm coming back to do a video. I have a lot of swatches that I'm going to be doing for you dolls on LA Colors Cosmetics. But on that note, dolls, this pretty much just concluded the video. I'm super grateful for the packages that I did receive. I'm really also grateful for the GlamDollz mail that I did receive. And like I said, you didn't say if it was okay to, you know, to say your name or anything, but I know you know who you are, and we talk all the time in the comments. But I received the package, and thank you again so much. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start digging in on one of these candies, because when you be sitting here recording, girl, you can start to get a little hungry. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget, we got to stay socially connected. So please keep in mind, I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and Fab Beauty on the Budget finds. So I'm going to get out of here and enjoy my chocolate and my candies and these things I need to put away. But I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.